Hi guys, welcome back. In this lesson, we will be installing PostgreSQL Server. So the database engine that we'll be using for our application is PostgreSQL. So the first thing that we need to do now is to open up our web browser. And then in our search, we type in download PostgreSQL. And then we click on this link here called Downloads PostgreSQL. Okay, once that's open, we scroll a bit and then we click on the Windows. And then we click on download the installer. Okay, and then it should take us to the enterprisedb.com website, and then from here on we will select PostgreSQL version 11.6. That's the one I'm using. So we download the version for Windows. Okay, so I'm going to cancel this because I already downloaded a copy. So now you can wait until yours is done, but when it's done, we can go to downloads. Okay, so here's the file. So yours should be 11.6 as well, and it should say x64. And the size of the file should be around 196 megabytes. So we double click on that. Then you'll get this prompt, say yes. Okay, so here's the install dialog. So we click next, next. Okay, and then here we see that there are a few options that you can install. We leave all of them checked, that's fine, and then next, next, next all the way. Okay, and now we will wait until PostgreSQL Server is installed. So this might take some time. You're welcome to do something in between. Okay, so we can continue in the next video when this install process is done. So thank you guys for tuning in. I'll see you in the next one.